What up, bro? Hey, today.
I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you what you want? Oh, I done got this, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it.
Keep on, get back.
Definitely need to ice this shit. Afraid that y'all ain't serious. Seriously, she's on my bed. I ain't want shit when I know we was chillin' tonight. I wanna hear why you wanna. In a relationship, it's to a nigga so back. Hey, why you wanna go and do that? Love, huh? Hey, why you wanna go and do that? Do that. Hey, why you wanna go and do that? Take your chance, take advantage of what you can see under your back. Fresh, show you the children, compliment, show you down, and treat you with respect. See you sweat, don't refuse, ain't decided where you should go. So how you keep saying no when your daddy's so wet? Bros who beach. Bros who motherfucking beach. Yeah. You got this, boy. We can switch on. You happy you got me. You better put them cats down. Okay. And beer after beer. Miller tastes too good to hurry through. Hey. So when it's time to relax, one beer is clear. Miller beer. Hey. You gotta Google it. Okay. Look at my phone. What is that? I want to ask you that. There's some kind of etching on it. Is known for cancer. Okay. Why is that? Well, that's a great question. They call that Chemical Valley over there in Canada. Okay. So a lot of in the winds. Oh, they This just to get us to where we gotta go. We're out of here! This is actually funny as fuck. This is actually funny as fuck. Record. This is funny as fuck. It's raining. It's raining. This is G-Bike. Exactly. What the fucking no top on? No top. Fucking time with the rain.